Alright guys, so are you tired of changing your batteries in your Blink Video doorbell? Well, stay tuned because I may have an answer for that. What's up people, welcome to the channel. So super excited about this product that I'm about to show you guys. Wasserstein has got their solar charger for the Blink Video doorbell. I think this is going to be a great addition to anybody that owns a Blink Video doorbell. I currently have a solar panel by Wasserstein installed on my Ring Video doorbell. It's been close to a year now that I've had it installed, and I have not had to recharge the batteries in my Ring Video doorbell once since it's been installed. I've really been impressed with the solar panel installed on my Ring Video doorbell. Like the idea, I don't have to monitor the battery and then swap it out. I was swapping the battery out on that every about 3 months. For some reason with my Blink Video doorbell, it seems like I swap out these batteries more so. And as you guys know, these are not rechargeable. These are the Energizer lithium batteries that they recommend to be installed into the Blink Video doorbell. So if this solar panel works like it's supposed to, I'll be able to save a lot of money since I won't have to replace the batteries in my Blink Video doorbell. So let's go ahead and get inside the box so I can show you guys this solar charger. Alright guys, so this is everything that you're going to get inside the box. You're going to get your solar panel here. Pretty nice size solar panel. Now this has a built-in 2000 milliamp hour battery inside of it. So what Wasserstein recommends you to do, you're going to leave this out in full sunlight for about 8 hours so the solar panels are able to fully charge the internal 2000 milliamp hour battery. Over here you're going to get your hardware, 2 bags of hardware there, and then you're going to get 2 back plates here depending on which model of the Blink Video doorbell you have. So this is going to be a really easy install. Once this solar panel is fully charged, you're going to go ahead, mount this in an area that you're going to be able to get a good amount of sunlight. If where your Blink Video doorbell currently is right now doesn't get a lot of sunlight, then this product isn't going to really benefit you a whole lot. So if your house faces the sun majority of the day, then you'll be able to use this and it should work out pretty well. Alright guys, so it's going to be real easy to install, especially if you've already installed your Blink Video doorbell. Hopefully you can use the same existing screws that you already used for this original back plate on your Blink Video doorbell, but it's pretty much the same setup. All you're going to do is take this hardware here, you're going to use these 2 holes here to mount the solar panel to your house or wherever you have this mounted, and then these 2 holes here are going to mount whichever back plate that you need to use. I'm going to be using back plate number 1 here, so this would go on next. Then you would take these screws, you would run these screws into these 2 holes to mount this back plate to the solar panel, and then next you're going to take your Blink Video doorbell. No batteries in it, no back plate on it. You're not going to use your old back plate at all. This is going to be your new back plate. And if you guys look at this back plate is designed the same way the original one is. It has these little legs on there. Has the same locking mechanism on the bottom, as you guys can see there. And this is going to lock it into place. So you got this back panel that would be screwed on with these 2 screws, and you're going to take your Blink Video doorbell and you're going to lock it into place like you would with your original back panel and slide it down, and that's going to lock it right into place. So pretty simple install, pretty straightforward. But now we're going to go ahead, I'm going to mount this to the house, do some testing on it, and see how well this works. Here's a look at the solar panel I've been using with my Ring Video doorbell 2. This is another Wasserstein product, and I've been using this for close to a year now. Have not had to recharge my batteries 1 time in my Ring Video doorbell. Really like the convenience of this. As long as it's in good sunlight for a majority of the day, you won't have to recharge your batteries. At least I haven't had to with my Ring Video doorbell. Alright guys, so that's the solar panel for the Blink Video doorbell. I got it right above the Ring Video doorbell. I'm actually using the existing holes when I did have the Blink doorbell mounted there. So I'm gonna go ahead, put in one more screw here, then we'll put the back plate on and install the Blink Video Doorbell. I usually have my Blink Video Doorbell in my backyard for my back door, but for testing purposes, I kind of wanted to put it right in the same place that the Ring Video Doorbell was, because I know that this panel does really well here. Like I said, I've used this almost a year now with no issues, so I want to see if the Blink solar panel performs the same way. All right guys, so I went ahead and put the back plate in place. Now we're going to go ahead and take the smaller black screws that are provided in this packet, and we're going to run those into these two smaller holes. So just make sure these two screws are nice and tight, and then we'll be able to slide our Blink Video Doorbell right on top of that base plate. Now, no batteries. You do not install it with the original back plate. This is now going to be your back plate that you're going to use, and you're just going to slide this on the same way you did with the original back plate. Just going to put it on there and then slide it down and lock it into place, and that's it. You should see a red light there. That means it's currently getting power, and the camera is booting up. All right, we'll go ahead and test it. And there you go. All right guys, so we'll go ahead and take a quick look at my Blink app here. So as you guys can see, I got my Blink doorbell. That's a photo of my front yard there. So we'll go ahead and click into the settings here, and you guys can see with it currently hooked up, the battery says okay. I do wish that Blink had like a status for percentage here, like the Ring does, but unfortunately it's just gonna state that it's okay right now. As far as the rest of the settings go, I got the sensitivity up to 7 right there. Clip length is at 20 seconds, and then I got my zone set up for about 75%. I don't have it so it's out into the street. I got it up to the sidewalk. So I'll go ahead and show you guys that. So I didn't unblock those there because I don't want to get any cars driving by. I just got it up to the sidewalk there. So just to give you guys a good idea of how I've got my doorbell set up. As far as IR intensity, I got that on low because it just seems like it's best for video. And then for the quality of the video, I have that on best. Usually best uses more battery life, so we'll see how well that works. Before I did have the solar panel hooked up, I've tested the Blink Video Doorbell with the batteries. Batteries did not last me very long at all, so I ended up wiring it, and I've been using it wired for a while now on my back door. Hopefully the solar panel works, because then it'll allow me to maybe put it in the front where wiring isn't best suited for it. So we'll go ahead, let it run for a while, and then I'll get back to you guys with an update on how well this solar panel by Wasserstein worked. Alright guys, so now I've been testing this solar panel by Wasserstein with my Blink Video Doorbell for a while now, and I must say, no issues whatsoever with it. Kept charged the whole time, and I probably was getting close to 20 to 25 notifications a day on this. So definitely seen a lot of traffic, but during that time the solar panel stayed charged, had no issues whatsoever. Now like I said earlier, a little disappointed in the Blink app because it only allows you to view the battery health as okay. There's no percentage on it like the Ring Video Doorbell has. So I was only able to monitor this solar panel with it being at okay. Never dropped below that where it said it needed to be replaced or anything like that. Now, of course, I expected this out of the Wasserstein because I showed you earlier I had the Ring Video Doorbell hooked up with another Wasserstein solar panel product, and that's been working fine for the last year. This is just an updated version, one for the Blink Video Doorbell. So I'll go ahead and put links in the description box below for the Blink Video Doorbell solar charger and also the Ring Video Doorbell solar charger. If you guys are interested in those, go ahead and use those links that I put in the description box below. Other than that, guys, hopefully you found this video useful. If you did, smash that like button. You guys like what I'm doing on my channel. Make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll talk to you on the next one.